Okay, so all right, so a couple things. This architecture, it's not shown here, but there's a caching mechanism in place for if vCenter is temporarily not available. Okay, that wouldn't apply in your case, right? But if you're concerned generally about, hey, what if there's some sort of network, breach or something, not a breach, but a network isolation event that happens where VC is not reachable, is this going to still boot? Yes, it will still boot. Okay, presuming that it can PXE boot, right? Because there's a distributed caching mechanism available for this. Okay, but in your case, when that's not available, what happens? You have to have offsite backup for stuff like that, so that you can bring VC back, and then once you bring VC back, then you can bring back all of your hosts. But yeah, VC obviously becomes very important to make sure that it's backed up and that you can restore it.
So, assuming PXE boot, is it vCenter that's providing
the config data?
Yeah.
Yes, and then it has a mechanism whereby it can cache this, and I think that it knows this by talking to they're storing it in the PXE server. There's some additional software that makes that happen.
So the PXE server is in addition to all this?
Yes, there's a PXE server in addition to this. Can the PXE Center be on the same host as vCenter? I don't know for sure. I'm not gonna commit one way or the other. I don't know. I think the answer is yes, but I don't know.